Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this I'm going to do the benchmark test on the Infinix Note 11s device on the day one out of the box. Yes friends, this is my first time using this Infinix Note 11 device on the day one, and I did not install any other applications apart from this benchmark test and this 3D benchmark application. So apart from this, I did not install any kind of major applications at this moment. I did not even sign into the Google Play Store as well. Let's see what will be the benchmark test in this Infinix Note 11s device. And the variant which I'm trying to use exact is, let me show you, 8GB and 128GB variant. As you can see, 8GB and 128GB model, and which has got the Helio G96 processor. As you can see, Helio G96 processor. And let's see friends, what will be the overall benchmark test results in this device out of the box without installing any other applications. So let me need to remove this case, which is a Free Fire Edition case, because I don't want to use this kind of case while doing this kind of benchmarks. Let's keep this Free Fire aside and let's check the temperatures. What is happening with the phone? It's about 27-28 degrees Celsius. Nothing much high temperatures detected anyway. And this is my first time doing this kind of benchmark test, friends, and I don't know what will be the benchmark score in this device at this moment. And the battery percentage seems to be kind of really good. It's about 63%, so we are kind of good to go. Out of the box, I did get about 66 kind of percentage out of the box, so that's kind of a really good deal. Let's see what will be the overall benchmarks we can actually expect in this Infinix Note 11s, and how much high temperatures the phone can actually increase during this process of testing as well. So these are the few things which I'll try to look after in this video. And back side 27.8 and front 27.6. Overall it's pretty low. It's only 27 degrees Celsius right now while I am trying to do the testing, and I'm gonna be back after some time just to check what is happening with the overall temperatures in this Infinix Note 11s device. So right now the test will go on for some time, and this is a retail box, friends. This is not the review unit. This is only the retail unit from the Flipkart which I did order. So since I don't get any kind of review units, that's the reason I thought of ordering and reviewing it for you all. So I'm gonna be back after some time. So right now let's check, friends, what is happening with the temperatures at this moment. It's only 30 degrees. It did not increase much higher. Not bad. Only 30. On the back side it's of 30.8 degrees Celsius. So friends, I cannot see any kind of more than 30. So it's only kind of maintaining below 30 only. I mean 30 around. Not bad regarding the temperatures. That's kind of one good sign. So not much high temperatures can be detected, friends. That's also another thing about this processor. So if any benchmark application, if it maintains below 30 degrees Celsius, that will be really great in these benchmarks. Any smartphone processors. So while gaming, we cannot feel much higher temperatures. So that's what I'm expecting. But let's see what's going to happen with this device. So I need to do plenty of testing on this Infinix UI as well. How is the optimization going on this device? So right now it's 30 degrees Celsius. And I can be back after some time just to check what is overall happening with this device regarding the benchmarks and all the details after some time. So right now, as you can see, friends, we're getting close to the end of the benchmark test results, and right now the temperature is about close to 28 and 29. On the back side 29 degrees Celsius. Not bad. That's pretty low temperatures overall. And this is the final stage of doing the benchmark test, and after this it will be finished and we'll be able to get to know exactly what's happening with the overall test results in this device. So this is going to be really interesting, friends, to see. We got about 3,41,000 out of the box, which is a benchmark score in the Infinix Note 11s device. As you can see, not bad. Regarding the Helio G96 processor, which is a 8GB and 128GB variant which I got on the day one. And the battery dropped by only 2%. That's kind of another fantastic, because usually the benchmark test is kind of slightly intense kind of testing. The battery will be draining a lot, I think close to 5%, 4 to 5%. But that's kind of fantastic. And only 2.3 degrees Celsius is increased during this process of testing. That's also another bonus point. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. This is a quick benchmark test results on the Infinix Note 11s device. Out of the box, these are the results which we got in this device. So meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.